SCCM 2403 KB28204160 Hotfix Update. A new Hotfix KB28204160 for SCCM version 2403 has been released to address issues with CMG content downloads, collection management and policy processing delays, and SMS agent host service crashes. The KB28204160 update is available in the Updates and Servicing node of the Configuration Manager console for environments that were installed by using the globally available build of version 2403. Should you install the Hotfix KB28204160? We strongly advise you to install this important hotfix even though the version 2409 update release is quickly approaching. This update replaces the 3 previously released hotfixes, which are KB28290310, KB28458746, and KB29166583. It's noteworthy that the fixes included in this hotfix will eventually be part of the SCCM 2409 release, ensuring that users have enhanced performance and reliability. Key issues fixed in KB28204160 hotfix. The SMS agent host service unexpectedly terminates while downloading content from cloud-based sources, which can seriously disrupt workflows. Collection management and policy processing might take longer than expected. A timing issue can lead to unwanted double reboots breaking task sequences, despite adjustments made proactively. Temporary files utilized on management points and cloud management gateway systems are now pre-compiled and signed, preventing false positives from security or code integrity scanners. Lastly, content downloads from a cloud management gateway to clients may fail after an update, especially in scenarios where branch cache is enabled and boundary groups are used. These fixes from the KB28204160 hotfix are geared towards ensuring that your Configuration Manager 2403 runs smoothly and effectively without the common hiccups that users have reported. Install the KB28204160 hotfix for SCCM 2403. Open the SCCM console and go to the Updates and Servicing node. Right-click the Configuration Manager 2403 hotfix Rollup KB28204160 and select Install Update Pack. The hotfix includes the updates for the site server, clients, and console. For prerequisite warnings, you can enable the option Ignore any prerequisite check warnings and install the update on your production server running version 2403. Click Next. Choose your client update option and select Next. Accept the license terms for installing the KB28204160 update and click Next. Review the hotfix details on the summary page. Close the Configuration Manager Updates wizard. The KB28204160 update installation begins now. The hotfix KB28204160 takes around 20 to 25 minutes to complete the installation. The hotfix then updates the Configuration Manager console to version 5.2403.117.1.2400 and the client version to 5.0.9128.1030. Conclusion. In essence, the KB28204160 hotfix addresses significant issues discovered in SCCM 2403. By resolving issues such as SMS agent host service crashes and processing delays, this update enhances both functionality and user experience. It ensures that your Configuration Manager is up to date with essential fixes and optimizations. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and if you think it helped, consider subscribing to this channel. Click on the bell icon to get instant notifications on new videos published.